selecting bathroom furniture, not all vanities are made the same. It's important to find a solution that stands up to the rigours of your daily life. With the Posh Domaine Vanity range, you can create and customise the perfect vanity to suit your needs. This is our Domaine Conventional model that comes in a versatile door and drawer combination, so you get the best of both worlds. This is one of our standard models with a fresh white interior, metal drawers and a soft close adapter. You can also upgrade to one of our Domaine Plus models, which feature a premium graphite interior and premium soft close runners. This unit is a wall-hung model, great for creating that sense of space in the bathroom. But floor-mounted models are also available. The Domaine Conventional unit comes in a wide range of sizes, from a 600mm right up to an 1800mm, so you can find the right vanity to suit your needs and space requirements. This is our 900 model, paired with a single basin, but you can also upgrade to double basins on our 12, 15 and 1800 models, so you don't have to share. We also have a range of matching mirror cabinets that look great and give your bathroom that extra bit of storage. The Domaine units can also be customised to suit your personal style with a range of the most popular cabinet finishes and bench tops. This here is a textured wood grain finish in aged walnut with a Friday hybrid quartz top in Excite. You can also choose a cherry pie solid surface or bamboo top to pair with your choice of basin, or if you'd prefer an integrated basin, you can choose a ceramic or acrylic bench top. Get in contact with one of our experienced consultants at your local Reece showroom or explore the Reece website to see the full range of Posh Domaine vanities. Thanks for watching.